What began as a mental health crisis call quickly turned violent, leaving an Aurora police officer and his K-9 partner stabbed. On April 9, 2026, officers with the Aurora Police Department in Colorado responded to reports of a man experiencing a mental health crisis. According to investigators, members of the crisis prevention team and responding officers attempted to establish communication with the man by phone and through the apartment windows. Officers positioned outside the apartment reported observing the suspect holding a large knife to his throat while making threats to harm himself and others. Despite repeated efforts to peacefully de-escalate the situation, the encounter rapidly escalated when the suspect exited the apartment armed with a knife. During the confrontation, the suspect stabbed K-9 Cyrus and then stabbed Officer Mark Moore multiple times in the head. We begin with the 911 call, followed by Bodycam footage from the perspective of the injured officer.
Aurora, non-emergency. This is Eric. May I help you?
This is the Entrado emergency call relay center for Vonage. I have on my back line, and she is requesting assistance for a client that's threatening suicide. The address for the client is going to be 14607 East Stanford Circle in Aurora.
We're doing a follow-up call. He is at home right now, but he just said he was going to kill himself with a knife.
Okay. Let me just go ahead and get that call started.
Please answer your door. We're just here. We're here to check on your welfare. You're not in any trouble.
He has eyes on someone with a less lethal. And we're talking to him right now.
Answer your door, please. We don't want anybody to get hurt.
I'm going to go ahead and move up to your guys' location.
We don't want anybody to get hurt. Come out with your hands up with nothing in your hands. This is the Aurora Police Department. In 124, he does have a knife in his hand. It looks like it's kind of, he's kind of holding it up to his throat and along his forearm. Please answer the door. Come out with your hands up. Put the knife down.
You're not in trouble. We just want to talk to you, man. That's it.
The thing is, if he comes out.
Running! Like, post! Hit! 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 Hit!
During the struggle, the suspect stabbed both the officer and K-9 Cyrus. Faced with an immediate threat of serious bodily injury or death, the officer discharged his weapon to stop the attack. From a tactical perspective, edged weapon attacks can unfold in seconds and leave officers with very little time to react. When an officer or K-9 is being actively assaulted with a deadly weapon, the situation can become life-threatening almost instantly. We now go to another angle of this incident from a different officer at the scene.
Give us a little warning. I think we're going to hear it.
Run! Go! 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 All right.
Hit him.
The suspect was struck by gunfire and later died from his injuries. The injured officer and K-9 Cyrus were transported for medical treatment and survived the attack. Legally, both Colorado law and federal constitutional standards generally permit the use of deadly force when an officer reasonably believes there is an imminent threat of death or serious bodily injury to themselves or others. As with all officer-involved shootings, the final determination depends on the totality of the circumstances, evidence, and findings of the official investigation. This is Texas Safety Watch, where we break down what legally matters, what tactically matters, and the lessons that can be learned from critical incidents across the country. Until next time, stay aware, stay safe, and God bless. We'll see you in the next case.